Hello everyone, welcome back to QClick's channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Monzo to Google Wallet 2025 step by step, such as adding a card, transferring money, and enabling NFC. So step 1, open your Google Wallet or download it if you don't have one yet. Step 2, tap Add to Wallet and then choose Payment Card. You can scan the card or manually input your card details. Step 3, complete the verification process by following your bank steps. And once you're verified, your card will appear in the wallet. Step 4, to transfer money, link your bank account or Google Pay balance and go to the Send and Receive section and select the transfer option. Step 5, for Tap and Pay, make sure that your NFC is enabled. You can go to your settings and then connected devices and then connection preferences and then NFC, and toggle the NFC on. Step 6. Now you can use Google Wallet or store purchases, online payments, and quick bank transfers. And that's it. Your Google Wallet is now fully set up and ready for everyday use. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.